Alright, I don't even know how this video is going to go. I bought a cylinder rebuild kit for my bike. Normally they're like at least 800 bucks with the Athena rebuild kit. And I bought a $170 China knockoff one. So we're going to tear into that and see what that's even like, and if that's even slightly worth the money. So without further ado, let's just cut into it and see if it's even slightly worth it by visuals. Alright, I've got the box tape cut, and this is literally my unboxing right here. So we're literally looking at this together for the first time. There's what the gasket set. Yep. Doesn't look to be too bad quality, honestly. Those looked cheesier in the pictures than they are in person. Red RTV silicone gasket maker. I'm not sure I trust that stuff, so I'll probably end up using my own, but it's at least there. Thread locker compound. I might take a look at that and see if it's even worth it, although it's red, so I don't think I want to use that. There's the piston ring. That actually seems to be decent quality, actually. It feels pretty good. I'll get it out of the package later and view it, but as of for now, that feels good. This looks like any normal wrist pin bearing. Circlips, although those actually look to be better than the normal ones I use because I got the lip right there to actually get it in and out easier. Now I guess down to the cylinder and piston. Here's, if I can get this bag off of it. There it goes. There's the cylinder. The cylinder actually looks to be really good. Piston looks like it could have been better, but actually not terrible quality. I don't feel anything snagging on it or anything like that. It seems to be round enough, but it does look like it could have used some better blasting and maybe polishing. So maybe I give that a couple good heat cycles before I go ham on that. I don't know what the 54/15 means. That might just be manufacturing. Nope. Because there's not 54 days in a year or 54 months. I don't even know what that means. But the cylinder, I'm actually very impressed by that. That looks 1,000 times better than any of the Athena ones that I've gotten since the first one like 6 years ago. I'm actually genuinely impressed with how that looks. I might just have to buy a couple more of these when I get the money to. That is like really good quality compared to the Athena ones.